The possibilities are endless with Eagle polyurethane and polyester belting in O-rings from Fenner Drives. As a world leader in belting, we have a comprehensive range of high-quality, non-reinforced and reinforced products. From light, medium, or heavy-duty conveying to custom profiles, Fenner Drives has the right product for your application. All standard V, round, and flat profiles are in stock right here, right now, ready to go to you. Our belts are easily made endless in the field with one of our Fenner Drives welding kits. We offer an overlap welding kit, a butt welding kit, and the Freestyle portable welding kit. Before we get started, let's get familiar with all of the components of the Eagle Freestyle welding kit. In the tool bag you will find the following components: the Freestyle welder, a professional battery charger, 2 packs of D-cell high power capacity rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries, cutting shears, flash cutters, and flat plate adapters. Please be aware that this welder is capable of welding round belts with a diameter up to 18 millimeters or 5/8 of an inch, up to B-section V belts, up to A-section twin V belts, and flat belts up to 1.5 inches wide. For larger profiles, please use a Fenner Drives butt welding kit. Although the Eagle Freestyle welder is designed to use standard D-size batteries, it is considered a high current drain device and consequently will not function with regular alkaline batteries. For proper performance, special high power capacity rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries are required and included with the kit. It is very important to have a clean environment to help facilitate a good weld. Make sure the area is well ventilated and free of dirt, dust, and draft. For an optimum weld, ensure that 2 D-cell nickel metal hydride batteries are fully charged. Unscrew the battery cover and insert the batteries into the welder, positive end first. Then replace the battery cover. Completely retract both of the belt clamp lock screws. Fully open the weld clamp using the weld clamp knobs. Expose the heater blade by sliding the battery compartment into the unit. While compressing the belt clamp springs, place the belt ends into the belt clamp, making sure the ends are flush against the heater blade. Then tighten the belt clamp lock screws. It is important to make sure that there are no twists in the belt. Press the belt ends against the heater blade by tightening the weld clamp knobs. Turn the unit on with the rocker switch and make sure the LED lights illuminate. Allow the heater blade to melt the belt until the desired bead forms. It is important to be prepared for the following steps. They need to be done as quickly as possible to ensure a quality weld. Turn off heater with the rocker switch. Release the weld clamp knobs just far enough to allow clearance between the heater blade and the belt ends. Retract the heater blade back into the handle and quickly tighten the weld clamp knobs to bring the belt ends together to form the weld. Extreme overcompression of the belt ends may result in a poor weld. Allow the welded joint to cure. Small cross-section belts require a minimum of 1 minute to allow for initial cooling. Larger belt cross-sections should be left in the welder a minimum of 3 minutes. It is extremely important to allow the belt to fully cure for a minimum of 30 minutes prior to installing, tensioning, or straining the belt weld. To remove the finished belt, loosen the belt clamp lock screws. Then compress the springs to allow the top bars of the belt clamp to swing away. Using the flash cutters, remove the bead from the splice. To prevent fire, burns, and unintentional activation, remove the batteries from the welder and allow it to cool completely before servicing or storing. To weld flat or double V belts, you must first install the included flat plate adapters. Begin by installing the inner pieces and secure with 2 larger screws each. To install the outer pieces, you must compress the belt clamps to provide adequate clearance for the pieces. Secure the outers with the small screws included with the kit. At Fenner Drives, we're here to help. If you are having difficulties obtaining a quality weld, contact Fenner Drives Applications Engineering at 1-800-243-3374 or ae@fennerdrives.com.